All right, middle of the week. We're going to get to the weekend. I promise. It'll be here.
And what will the weather be like?
Yeah. Oh, the weather will be threatening. Might be, indeed, because look at this. This is the upper level charts that show you what's going to happen between now and the weekends. We don't show this very often, but if you look right in the center of the screen, there's what's running our weather right into the weekend, and it's a system that's going to get cut off and sit right over Memphis, Tennessee. Low out to the west in this hemispheric shot across the Arctic, it's a very active storm track, but what's happening there is going to have a big effect as we look ahead to the weekend. Not a big effect tomorrow morning, that's for sure. Check your smartphone hour by hour with some morning clouds, 62 up to the upper 60s by the time you head to lunch, because these clouds of that system that's sitting over the Gulf are starting to stream this way. These are very high, thin clouds, but probably cutting off most of the starry effects across Beaufort County and farther south, Richmond Hill and farther south through Bryan County. But we did get a couple of pretty cloud pictures from John Morgan over the Guyton area, a lot different than what we saw yesterday. This is Pooler Parkway. Thank you, Anita. And here's Dixie was able to catch the sun illuminating some of those clouds. Always love your weather pics at WTOC.com. Tell me who you are and where the picture was taken. 66 now with our clear skies, 87% relative humidity. That's kind of high. We might see some patchy fog, light east breeze. Future Max shows some morning clouds, especially south of town, but by lunchtime we're in good shape, and later in the day, notice there's no afternoon showers or thunderstorms popping up. Probably a dry day again with most of the moisture offshore and across the I-10 corridor. By the time we get to the end of the week, though, things really start to warm up just a bit, and we might see some more convective thunderstorms developing. Next tide will be high at 118, low tide at 742, 649 on the sunrise first thing in the morning. For mariners, low risk of rip currents for tomorrow, northeast winds at 15 to 25 knots. We do have a small craft advisory in for Thursday. So here's how it all stacks up. Your first alert hour by hour, quiet night for tonight, 61 degrees. Watch for some patchy fog at 7 a.m., hazy sunshine by 11, maybe a renegade thunderstorm at 3 o'clock, but then a pleasant evening will set up, and 70 degrees by the time we get to 7. 77 again tomorrow's high, 75 Thursday, 76 on Friday. Look at the risk of showers and thunderstorms. Not a great risk indeed. In fact, that risk right through our weekend at this point. Temperatures in the 70s, perhaps getting up to 80 by the end of the 7-day forecast. Again, 61 for tonight, 77, and a mix of sun and clouds for tomorrow. Make it a great day. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
All right, thanks, John.